tutti i tipi di pasta.
Noodles, like ramen, I can't eat them a lot because I think I've had them a lot.
Rice and the beans, fried eggs.
Well, there is no dish I couldn't eat. I live with my girlfriend and she's from Portugal, I'm from Hungary, so we're just mixing up the two cuisines and we're cooking amazing food.
Pues ninguno, porque otro de mis hobbies es comer, que me encanta. Y entonces estoy aprovechando para comer quizá demasiado, para cocinar recetas que no estaba haciendo, como las croquetas, tortilla de patata, bueno, recetas más elaboradas.
Man, I love eating everything. The things that I eat right now are the things that I cannot live without.
Yes, I made kebabs, which came out really well.
Tried this new recipe, and it turned out really good actually. It was like spicy popcorn chicken, and I was surprised that it came out so well.
The dish that I've learned in this time is that cooking fish.